we want to talk about what time is it in other galaxies and what is time, what is the what is the correct measurement for time, and what is the best universal scale for time. So we have to come back to our famous river in the previous sessions. We have here the beginning of the time, whatever that was, Big Bang, and we have here end of the time. Earth on 2024, Earth in 2524. And we imagine this is the Earth, and Earth go to the tour of the time and encircle, circle, rotate, circle around itself, around sun, and inside the center of the galaxy we have a space-time stream here. A space-time stream. We equalize, for simplifying and for our imagination, time is equal to movement of the earth and is similar to the boat inside river. And a space we estimate or we imagine just in our imagination to facilitate our thinking. A space is equal to a stream, to the river, and to the we have flow of the time, like this, for example. And what I want to describe first and second law by me. My name is Gabriel Morton, and this is I will prove the first and second law. I want to explain for you and prove for you, if we have very, very large celestial object, celestial body, for this large object, if that is enough large, for example, if we imagine we have a great boat from the beginning of the time to the end of the time. In this case, time will be equal to a space, and a space will be equal to the time, because those are the same size. The importance of the size about measurement in the future upcoming days, in the measurement of the space and time, that will facilitate to access to UFO, that I have technology, and I will explain in the upcoming days if we see peace, not just between Palestine and Israel, but also for all of the nations and countries. Let me come back to main discussion. This is scientific discussion about what is the nature of the time, what is the nature of the space, and that is so much important. Today is 17 August 2024. If we imagine time as an arrow inside the greater arrow, this greater arrow is our best and first reference frame, and that is a space. The beginning of the space is here, whatever that was, Big Bang and other explosion or implosion or what was that, doesn't matter. We have the same beginning for space and time. And if we extend our boats so big, for example, if I continue my life to the end of the universe, and if you suppose in your imagination that, for example, I was I was conscious at the beginning of the time, not just for myself, for cosmos, we have both are same. Time is equal to the space because they have the same beginning and they are at the same end. So Gabriel Morton is my name, and that is my pleasure to introduce for you my first law in the physics. Gabriel Morton first law, a space is equal to the time if those are in the same size. In the next session, I will describe in the next session, I will describe my the detail for my second law in the physics. Second law of the Gabriel Morton is time is slower. Time is slow for bigger consciousness. That is so much important. For example, 1 hour is not equal for human and elephant. If you imagine this ugly creature is elephant, time for elephant is slower for relatively to the human being. So 1 hour for elephant is longer than the same 1 hour for human being. That will change the world. This second law of me, and that is my greatest pleasure in the world. From tomorrow, you will see great change in the science, physics, and biology, and psychology, and consciousness, the concept of the time, and even for Elon Musk as a designer of the new Mises. God bless you all. I will wait for your comment and subscriptions increase to have live programs.